The dreaded check engine light just came on. Before you panic and rush to the mechanic, try these 5 quick fixes. They might save you time and money. Let's go. Quick fix number 1. Check the gas cap. Turn off the engine, remove the gas cap, check for cracks or worn seals, screw it back on tight until it clicks 3 times, and drive for 10 to 15 miles. If that didn't work, let's move to fix number 2. Quick fix number 2. Reset the car's computer. Turn off the car, disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 5-10 minutes, reconnect, and start the car. Darn, still on? No worries. Let's try fix number 3. Quick fix 3. Check for loose sensors. Pop the hood, look for the O2 sensor, MAF sensor, and spark plug wires, gently wiggle connectors, and clean if necessary. If the light's still on, time for the secret weapon. Fix number 4. Quick fix number 4. Scan the code. Use an OBD2 scanner, plug it in, turn the ignition on, and read the code. Some codes are minor, others might need a mechanic. Quick fix number 5. Add fuel system cleaner. Pour it into the gas tank before filling up and drive 50-plus miles. Okay, if none of these worked, here's when you need a mechanic. If the light is flashing, if the code is Piezo 420 or Piezo 300, or if the car runs rough, it's time for professional help. Sometimes DIY isn't enough, and that's okay. At least you tried. Did one of these fixes work for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.